And see, let us move to the next topic. See, that is Aryabhatta's method of finding the square root. Right, it is the fourth shloka of Ganita Pada written by Aryabhatta. Right. The steps are very simple. See, I'll just brief you. First, you have to subtract the great possible square from the last odd place, and always divide the even place by twice the square root of the preceding odd place. Subtract from the odd place the square of the quotient. Repeat the process as long as there are still digits on the right side. Right. So let us, very simple, let us check out with this with an example. So let us find the square root of 576. To start working on this, right, let me find this. Let me write down like this: 576. So we are supposed to make the odd and even places. Let me go with the odd places from right or left. Let me go with the right side. This is odd place and then this is odd place. Right. Let me write down like this. Right. Yeah. So what we need to do, we are supposed to subtract the great possible square from the last odd place. This is the last odd place, right, from the right side. So now 5, which is in between 4 and as well as 9, where this is going to be 2 square and this is going to be 3 square. So we have to subtract. That is 2 square. 2 square is 4. I'll write down the 4 here and subtract it. I'm going to get 1. Right. Now, so the least one is 2 here. Multiply with 2. 2, that multiply with 2, you are going to get 4. Right. Bring down 7 here. Bring down 7. Now divide this 17 by 4. That is 4 4s. Right. 4 4s is how much? So first we need to divide. This is what? Subtract. Right. So this is the number odd place which lies between 4 and 9, and I am supposed to take the least one. This is 2. So subtract it. That is 2 square is minus 4. Subtract it, you are going to get 1. Multiply by 2, that is going to be 4. And this 17 I need to divide by 4. 4 4 is 16. I will subtract here. So this is going to be 1. You bring down this 6. Now the square of this should be here. That is 16. 16 minus 16 is going to be 0. The square root of 576 is nothing but 24. Right, you understood? Let me go with one more time. So take a number, that is 576. Make odd places. Start the greatest with the possible square. So here this is 4. So 5, which is in between 9 and as well as 4. Let me take 2 square and as well as this is 3 square. Let me take this. You have to subtract this one, that is the square of this 2, that is 4 minus 1, that is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Double this or multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 and as well as here bring down 7. 4 4s are 16. So you are going to get 1 and 6. You can bring down here. 4 square is nothing but 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So the answer for this, that is the root of 576, is 24. Let me go with one more example so that you will clear with this. That is going to, let us go with the 784. 784. The same procedure you are supposed to adopt. Let us take odd places here. 4 and 7 is the odd places. Go with this 7. 7 lies between 2 square and as well as 4 square. You need to subtract this from the square of this number, that is going to be 4. 2, right? 7 minus 4 is 3, right? So multiply with 2. 2 2s are 4. Now bring down 8. 38. Now what you are supposed to do now? So 4 8s are. So divide this number by this. 4 9s are, if you go 4 9s are, see what happens here. 4 into 9, which is going to be 36. So 38 minus 36, you are going to get 2 and you will bring down 4. But what happens here? This 9 square is not going to be subtracted from this 24. So that's what I'll do with 8. So this is nothing but alternate remainder. So 38 divided by 4. 4 9s are 36 you are going to get. So if you subtract you are going to get 2. If you bring down 4, this 24 is not possible to subtract from the square of 9. So what I can do, I can go with 8. See, 4, 38. That is alternate remainder. 4 8s are 32. You are going to get 6. So bring down 4. 8 square is 64. See, the answer will be 2 and 8. Let us go with this. 4 8s are 32 by using alternate remainder. Alternate remainder, which you learnt in the third level. So 4 8s are 32. You are going to get 6. So bring down 4. The square of 8 is 64. This will become 0. So the answer will be 28. The square root of 784 is 28. Hope you understood. Let us go with the third one. Right here, see, this is 4-digit number, that is 1024. So start odd places here. This is 4 is our 2 is the odd one, right? And as well as see 4 from here you need to start. That is 1, 4 is the odd one, then 0 is the odd one. So let us consider 10. 10 which lies between 3 square and as well as 4 square, right? So you are supposed to subtract the square of 3, that is 9, from 10, that is 3. 3 3s are 9. Subtract it here. So you are going to get 1 and bring down 2. Now multiply with 2. That is 3 2s are 6. Now you need to be careful here. So if you divide this number by 2, you are going to get 0 and 4 you can bring down 4 here, and 2 square is 4, right? That is what the answer. You need to think little bit further. So 6 2s are 12. Subtract it. Here you are going to get 0. Then bring down 4. The 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 can be subtracted here. So 0. The answer will be 32. The square root of 1024 is going to be 32. Right. Let us go with the one more. Right here, 4489. 4489. Start from here. Right. This is our place 44 and as well as 89. See, I will take 4, that is 44. 44 which lies between 7 square and as well as 6 square. So I will take this. Square of 6 is 36. I need to subtract 36 from 44. That is 36. So we are going to get 8. So bring down 8. Now multiply by 2. 6 2s are 12. Now you just check out here. 12 8s are. What happens here? 12 8s are 84. Right, let me go with this way. That is 88 by 12. Right, 12 8s are 84. 12 8s are 96. Right, 12 8s are 96, which is more. So 12 7s are, let me take. 12 7s are 84. 7 2s are 4. 14, 1 carry, 7 1 7 plus 1, 84. So bring down 4. Right here, subtract 4, right? You are going to get 4. 9 you bring down. 7 square is 49, right? The answer is here 67. 7 and as well as 6. The square root of 4489 is equal to 67. Let me go with the one more example. This is going to be 6 digit. Let me go with this. 119716. Right, odd places. This is 1, 3, right? 7. Let us start working on this. See, the 11 is reside in between 3 square and 4 square. Right. So now what happens here? You can start off working on this. So subtract the square of the number from 11, that is 3. 3 square is 9. Subtract it. You are going to get 2. Bring down 9. Double this number. 3 2s are 6. Right. Now divide directly. 6 4s are 24. Right. What happens? 9 minus 4. Subtract here. 9 minus 5 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 2 minus 2 0. 7 you bring down. Right. This 7 you bring down. See, now you have to find the square of this number. That is 4 4s are 16. Minus 16. So 7 minus 6 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Right. So now bring down 1 here. Right. Bring down 1. Now what happens here? So this is very important step now. You have to take this and as well as this number, that is 34. That should be multiplied with 2. 34 into 2, which is going to be 68. Now divide this number by 68, that is 411 by 68. So 6 6 are 4, 360, 8 6 are 48, right? So I can go with 6. So 8 6 are 48, 8 4 carry, 6 6 are 36 plus 4 40, 408. Right, here 3 will be the remainder. So bring down 6, which is nothing but the 36 is nothing but square of 6, that is 36. 0, you are going to get the answer what? So 346, that is the square root of 119716 is 346. Right. Let me go with the last example here. It is going to be 346921, right? So 346921. Right, let me go with this. Odd places start from here. 1 3 5. So 34 I need to take 34, which is in between 5 square and as well as 6 square. Right, let me take this 5 and square of this number is 25 should be subtracted from 34, that is 5 square 30 25, subtracted here. This will become 9. Don't bring down 6. Double this, that is 5 2s are 10, 96. So what I will do now, see here, if I go with the 9, so you are going to get negative number. So that's what I will go. I will do with 8. Alternate remainder I will go with this here. Alternate remainder. 10 8s are 80. Right. You are going to get 16 and 9. You bring down. Now what you need to do here is, the next step is the square of this number, that is 64. Right. Square of this, that is 64. Subtract 64 from this number. You are going to get 9 minus 4 is 5. Right. So 16 minus 6 is 10. 105. Right. Bring down now 2. Now take 5 and 8 here. 5 and 8. Right. That is double this. 58 into 2 is going to be 116. Now multiply this. 116. 10s are 9s are, right? I can go with 9. 9 6 are 54. 5 carry. 9 1s are 9 plus 5 14. 1 carry. 9 1s are 9 plus 1 is 10. 1044. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Right. 4 minus 4 is 0 0. So bring down 1. This 81 is nothing but the square of this, that is 9 square is 81. Subtract it, you are going to get 0. So the answer for this, the square root of 346921 is equal to 589. Right? Hope you understood.